31 cash apps in 31 days. That's what we're talking about today. Today is day 2. Check out the playlist, yesterday's video as well, for a really cool cashback app. And today I'm going to show you another cashback website and app that's really cool. Check the link in the description. Also check out my other videos. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog as well. A lot of really cool stuff. Also, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. And if you're interested in making some money here, I got all these other videos, like I said, all kind of really cool stuff, Venmo, daily raffle apps and such. And if you want to make a full-time or a part-time income online, check out the top link in my video description below as well. It's a system that I've been using since 2017. It's a really cool. You get a free membership to start off with, and you can just check that out right there. There's a link there in the video description below. And it's all kind of helpful people there. It's a huge community of people helping each other out, and there's free courses and stuff like that. So anyways, let's get back into this. 31 cash apps and websites in 31 days. Today we're going to be taking a look at a website that I've been using for a while as well. And you can ask questions below or comment below. Tell me what countries you're in so I can find more apps in your countries and stuff like that. Whatever country you're in. Anyways, let's get into this. This is a website called Rakuten. Used to be called Ebates. And basically all you do is sync up your debit cards or your credit cards, whatever you go shopping with. And there is a Chrome web browser extension as well that you can use, and you get cash back on all these different places that you shop at. It's very simple to use. I've got a bunch of money back at different times and stuff like that. And you can refer people to it as well. And get, right now it's $30 per referral, so please do use my referral link, because you're gonna get, I think you get $10. Let's see here. They change it all the time. Give friends $30 on us. So you get $30 now by the time I'm making this video. Sometimes they change it. So you can get $30 today just for signing up and syncing your debit card. And very cool. And then I'll get $30 as well. And then you can share your referral link with other people, other friends, and you're gonna get $30 for every referral. So great right off the bat. And I have another video that you can check out. There'll be a link in the description as well about referring people and stuff like that, and where to refer people for free and all kind of stuff like that. Really cool video that you're gonna want to check out as well. So check that out, and please do use my referral link, and we'll each get $30. Like I said, it does change from time to time, so it could be 20, it could be 10. It seems to be changing all the time. Anyways, let's take a look at more at this. What you do, again, you just sign up. It's very simple. I use the Chrome web browser extension as well. I have an iOS app on my phone, and I'm going to show you some ratings here in a second here from other users. And there's even in-store cashback when you go shopping in person, when you're different stores. All these stores here. There's so many stores that you can make money from or money back from. So it's really cool. Let's take a look at some of the reviews here. You can get it on Android and the iOS store. Let's take a look at Google first here. And I stack this with other apps. And by stacking, I mean I use multiple cashback apps, like the one I showed you yesterday's video. You can check that out. I use both of those apps, and I get money back. Not on every store, but just different places that you shop. If that store's in their database or whatever you want to call it. So anyways, on Android, it has a 4.2 out of 5 with over 61,000 reviews. So that's really good. On the iOS devices, which is the one I use here, they have a 4.3 out of 5 with about 28,000 different ratings. So really cool. Again, cashback and refer friends. So it's a win, and you get $30 today if you sign up, as you just saw. Again, that could change. I don't know. It might be different by the time you click on my link in the video description below for my referral. And I'm going to get money. You're going to make money. It's great. They just pay you to refer people, and it's awesome. And then you get money back when you sync your debit cards and stuff like that. So a really popular app that's been around for a while. They're not shady or nothing like that. And there's even travel vacations. There's hot deals. There's so much stuff on this website. You just want to check it out for yourself. I want to keep my videos kind of short, because I know a lot of YouTubers like to go on and on. But something that you want to check out. Also, check out the playlist of my other 31 cash apps and websites in 31 days. Lots of really cool stuff. This is day 2, but of course, by the time you're watching it, it could be a year from now. So anyways, check out this one. Check out my other videos. Also, check out the #1 link in the video description below for my #1 way to make money online that I've been using since 2017. A great community there of people that like to help each other out and things like that. You get free courses there, and you can do the paid version as well if it's something you're into. So anyways, check that out. Come back tomorrow, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. I'll have day 3 tomorrow. And that is it for now, and I will talk to you soon.